इंटरेस्टिंग सब्जेक्ट मैथमेटिक्स में आपका स्वागत है। आइए आज हम आपको क्लास 10th की मैथमेटिक्स में चैप्टर 12 एरिया रिलेटेड टू सर्कल पर चर्चा करते हैं। और आज का हमारा ये वीडियो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो है, क्योंकि आज के इस वीडियो में हम बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस पर चर्चा करेंगे। तो आइए हमारे इस वीडियो का आनंद उठाइए। लेट अस
Here is the question number 16 of area related to circles, and this is the most important question, so try to understand how can you solve this question. Question number 16, calculate the area of the design in the figure common between two quadrants of the circle of radius 8 centimeter each. Okay, तो क्वेश्चन का ये स्टेटमेंट है कि यहाँ पे दो क्वाड्रेंट दिए हुए हैं। तो इसमें यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट इज ABPD, तो ये आपका क्वाड्रेंट नंबर फर्स्ट है और इस क्वाड्रेंट में ये आपका डिज़ाइन बना हुआ है। इसके बाद सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट है BCDQ और इस क्वाड्रेंट में भी आपका ये डिज़ाइन बना हुआ है। तो ये दोनों क्वाड्रेंट में कॉमन एरिया हो गया। देन हाउ कैन यू फाइंड द कॉमन एरिया, दैट इज एरिया ऑफ दिस डिजाइन। ओके, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन एंड एंजॉय आल्सो। सो डियर, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we will write the given things here, that number first is according to the question, radius of the circle is 8 centimeter. Dear, you know that the distance between the circumference from the center of the circle is known as the radius. So this is AB, otherwise AD. This is the radius of the this quadrant. Okay, and also you can observe in the second quadrant, that is BC and CD. This is the radius of the this second quadrant. So question clearly says that the radius of the circle is 8 centimeter. So you will write that radius of circle equal to 8 centimeter. Now again dear, this is a quadrant, this is a square, that is ABCD, and the side of the square is given that 8 centimeter each. So you will write here the side of square, this equal to 8 centimeter also. Now first of all we will find here area of the square, area of square, and area of square here you know that formula is side square, and side is given that how much, 8 centimeter, and this is the square. So you will write 8 square means 64, and centimeter square, square of centimeter means centimeter square. So this is the area of the square. Why you find the area of square, discuss it will be later. Okay, now moving for this for design, how can you find the area of design? We will divide this diagram, this figure in two parts. You can observe here, yes, this is the two parts of the design. In first part you can see that this is the quadrant, name of the quadrant is here according to the question. Yes, this is BCDQ, this is the first quadrant. Okay, so we will make this diagram, and again the second quadrant is ABPD. Okay, so we will divide this in two parts as you see just here. These are the two parts. Okay, now how can you find the area of these two quadrant? Okay, let us start. So area of first quadrant, area of quadrant, the name of the quadrant, you can observe that this is BCDQ. Okay, so you will write that is BCDQ. And area of quadrant here, you know that 1/4 pi r squared. Quadrant means 1/4 part of the circle. Otherwise you can use this formula also, because this quadrant is also sector. So you can apply here formula of sector, that is pi r square theta divided by 360. But dear, keep in mind that this is the origin and this is the intersection of two axes. So each angles of this square is 90 degree. So when you put the value of 90 degree, then you will get pi r square 90 degree divided by 360 degree, and this will be, you will get how much? Yes, 91 ja 90 and 94 ja, that is 1/4 pi r square. Same way you will get the 1/4 pi r square. So you will use any one formula. I think that this is the easy. So you will use the area of quadrant BCDQ, that is 1/4 pi r square. Now put all the values here. So dear, what you will get? Yes, 1/4 and pi means 22/7 and radius r means 8 centimeter whole square, because this is the r square. Now dear, what to do in this case? 1/4 into 22/7 and 8 square is written as 8 into 8 and square of centimeter means centimeter square. Now you can cancel out this by 4 1 ja 4 and 4 2 ja 8. Okay, so on simplifying it, you will get 2 into 22 into 8 and divide by 7 centimeter square. So what you will get? You can write this is 22 into 16 divide by 7. Okay, and also simplifying it, 16 2 ja 32 and 16 2 ja 32 again and carries 3, 32 and carry 3, 35. So this is 352/7 centimeter square. You cannot cancel it, so drop this step here. That is area of quadrant BCDQ is 352 divided by 7 centimeter square. Now moving for next quadrant, that is area of quadrant this, that is ABPD. This is the second quadrant, and here is radius is also once again 8 centimeter. So you will put the area of quadrant ABPD, that is 1/4 pi r square again. So what you will get? Yes, you will get here for the area of second quadrant, area of quadrant, the name of quadrant, that is ABPD. Okay, and you will use the formula 1/4 pi r square. This is the 1/4 part of the circle, and again put all the values. Then what you will get? Yes, of course you can write here 1/4 and pi means 22/7 and r again here 8 centimeter whole square. So directly you can write how much? 352 and divide by 7 centimeter square, because this is the same things. Here you will get 352 divide by 7. So same way you will get here 352 divided by 7. Now after that we will find the area of both quadrant. Now area of two quadrant that's you will add here, that is area of first quadrant plus area of second quadrant, means this is 352 divided by 7 plus 352 divided by 7, and the unit is centimeter square. This is must to write here. And 352, it means 704 divided by 7 centimeter square. Well, once again you cannot cancel because you will get in the mixed fraction, otherwise in the decimal form. Okay, so dear, this is the area of two quadrant. Now what to do to find the area of this common design? अब इस एरिया का जो ये कॉमन डिज़ाइन है, इसका एरिया आप कैसे बताएंगे? हाउ कैन यू फाइंड? यस डियर, you can see here when this is the area of first quadrant, you can see in this diagram, this is the first quadrant. Okay, when you take the first quadrant, then this design is included in the first quadrant. Okay, after that when you take the second quadrant, this is the second quadrant, then this design is included in the second quadrant also. So what to do for find the area of this design? Means when you find the area of the first quadrant, then this design is included. Okay, and when you find the area of second quadrant, then this design is again included in the second quadrant. It means when you add these area of two quadrant, then this design is 2 times you will get. Now what to do for find the area of this design? Means if you add the area of two quadrant and subtract the area of the square, then you will get the area of only common design. कैसे? जब आप एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो इसमें ये डिज़ाइन भी माइनस हो जाएगी, लेकिन अभी जो आपने दो क्वाड्रेंट का एरिया फाइंड किया था उसमें तो ये डिज़ाइन 2 टाइम्स आ रही है, तो 1 टाइम्स ये आपका माइनस हो जाएगा, तो 1 टाइम्स तो बचेगा ही, तो वो आपको एरिया मिल जाएगा. सो लेट अस प्रोसीड द स्टेप्स हियर. आई वांट टू वंस अगेन क्लियर द कॉन्सेप्ट हियर. Let us, this is your given figure. Okay, this is your square, and this one is first quadrant. Just a moment. And this one is the second quadrant. So this area is the common. Now you will find this common area. तो हम क्या करेंगे, दोनों एरिया को जो हमने प्लस किया है ये एरिया, और इसमें से हम इस स्क्वायर के एरिया को, इस एरिया को स्क्वायर के एरिया को माइनस करेंगे, तो देखेंगे कि जब हमने ये फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट का एरिया फाइंड किया था तो ये डिज़ाइन आ गई, फिर उसके बाद सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट का एरिया भी फाइंड किया तो भी ये डिज़ाइन आ गई, तो ये डिज़ाइन का एरिया हमको 2 बार मिल गया. अब हम क्या करेंगे, ये 2 बार एरिया जो मिला है वो पूरा फुल एरिया में ये 2 बार मिला है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, पूरा फुल एरिया में से और स्क्वायर के एरिया को माइनस कर देंगे, तो एरिया जब स्क्वायर का एरिया माइनस करेंगे तो ये डिज़ाइन भी आएगा, स्क्वायर में भी डिज़ाइन आएगा, तो ये डिज़ाइन 1 टाइम्स माइनस हो जाएगा, और यहाँ पे चूँकि ये डिज़ाइन 2 टाइम्स है तो 1 टाइम्स आपको मिल जाएगा. तो किस तरह से आप इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे? लेट अस स्टार्ट हियर. यस ऑफ कोर्स, यू विल राइट हियर एरिया ऑफ डिज़ाइन, area of design equal to area of 2 quadrant minus area of square. So what you will get? Now you put all the values here. You can see here what is the area of square and what is the area of design. This is the area of 2 quadrant, and this is the area of square. So you will put both the values here. You will get, just you can see here, this is 704 divided by 7 minus 64 centimeter square. So what you will get, now you can take the LCM. So this is 704 minus 64 into 7 divided by 7 centimeter square, and when you multiply it, then you will get, you can see just like that, 704 and 7 4 ja, here is 7 4 ja, how much? This is 28, and 7 6 are 42 and carry 2, that is 44, and here is the negative sign, divide by 7 centimeter square. So if you subtract, then what you get here? Yes, 4 minus 8, can you subtract? Not subtract, so you will take the LCM, but here is 0, so you will take the carry from here, that is you will get here this is 14 when you will take the carry, and here is the 6, and this will be 10, but here is move 1 carry, so here is only 9. So now you can subtract 14 minus 8, that is 6. Okay, and 9 minus 5, this is 9 minus 4, this is 5, and 6 minus 4, this is 2, and divide by 7 centimeter square. So finally dear, you can write the answer of this question means area of common design. This is 256 divided by 7 centimeter square. So this is the answer of this question. So you can write answer of this question. So I think that steps of this question completed. So thank you for.
So dear थैंक यू दोस्तों, हमारा ये वीडियो लास्ट तक देखने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।